Genoa to
Ay, ng anak, mabibilan.
your seatbelts because we have to take the highway from Savona to Genoa and to Rapallo. Okay, we are perfectly on time. 9:29. We are supposed to leave at 9:30, so. And welcome to Savona. This is one of the 4 Ligurian, decidedly more is more little than Genoa. Genoa has a very important history in the Renaissance period. Was so powerful, and it was called the Golden Century, or in Spanish language El Siglo de Oro, because the Republic of Genoa ruled all the Mediterranean coasts. They had colonies all over the Mediterranean coasts, and the Genoese were merchants, but they became so rich that they also founded the first banks of the world, and that's why so many nobles and important people from the north of Europe came in Genoa to borrow money from the Genoese banks. That's why so many beautiful palaces in the city center of Genoa belong to the UNESCO World Heritage. There are 43 palaces that are included in this World Heritage. At the entrance of the highway, and here close to the highway there is a beautiful villa that belongs to the Della Rovere family, and that was an important family from Savona, and belonged to this family. Sisto IV is a very important pope for Rome, because he's the pope who decided to build the Sistine Chapel, and another pope from Savona, Jules II, asked to Michelangelo to paint the Sistine Chapel. So 2 popes came from Savona. beautiful villas that stand. That is called the Hans Christian Andersen Festival, and there is a panoramic coastal road, really fantastic, very narrow. So you will see that our driver should be very good in driving this road. I want to explain. Show you where the restaurant is, and now we get off here. You come with me. I want to show you the cathedral. The city center is really close, 5 minutes.
Akala ko kasama yung seagull dun sa Ewan nga rin. Dabri. Bus, right?
Yeah. Where is group 5? I don't know if
The driver is
easier to obtain the same effect painting instead of a skirt, and the effect
ibig sabihin? Saan painting daw na 3D?
But also because in the past they had to pay a fee. St. Paul was a soldier, so he has a sword in his arm.
Hanap tayo ng anak, mabibilan. Picture ka lagay mo dito. Marimar.
kabila magandang view.
Chyba obsranie bez terrakoty, zaczęli się gotowywać. Kurwa, siedzieli pół godziny, ten mówi, no dobra, musimy wypalić trybuny, ale napiszmy, że pół.
The good part is you can send it on the group and we can use it later.
Yeah. Wait, so you're going to show everything, will you?
My hobby is to get the cloud. I show everything to the cloud.
Perfect.
Can you visit Portofino with the car or with the boat? Sorry. Can you visit Portofino?
Here, welcome. This is the This is the and 2:45, yes, or a quarter to 3.
It's not worth it.
No. Red carpet.
Thank you for that.
You're welcome.
First, 105. It's okay?
Okay. Every day walking.
Ah,
Oh, sorry.
this is kasi Pero I'm sure. Đây là你去到那边 take 去了哦 this is
Lunch here. Guys, is it worth of going?
Malaysia.
You rich woman?
Japan. No. Hello, vlog. Sanjang.
ele vai chamando a Maria?
Não, eles não. Ele falou muito perigoso também.